The truth of the matter is we are not all on the same income level, and that means that we have preferences for what we want to spend our money on. But should that deprive you of having a very beautiful, glowing, radiant skin? No, of course not. Now, whether your skin tone or your melanin tone is fair, dark, or caramel, I have handpicked glow kits for you. And by glow kits, I mean soap plus lotion plus scrub that you need in order to have a very beautiful, glowing, radiant skin. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, then of course continue to watch. Our agenda for today is this. Number one, how does your skin tone and your skin type affect your body care goals? Number two, fair complexion glow kit. Number three, caramel complexion glow kit. And then lastly, dark complexion glow kit. And I call it glow kit because it includes a soap, a lotion, and of course a body scrub, all under a budget. This is the thing, somebody tagged me on a post, I think last week or so, and honestly I did not want to dignify them with my response, but I'm just going to talk about it anyway. The truth of the matter is this: your complexion, your melanin skin tone, and by skin tone I mean whether you are fair, dark, or caramel, and of course your skin type is what affects the goals that you have for your body care. See, it is no longer news that you cannot just go to the store because your sister that is like 3 or 4 shades darker than you is using a product, and because of that you think it is going to work for your fair complexion. It might not work. You might not even like it, because there are 2 things to consider when it comes to having an enhanced, radiant, youthful skin. You have to know what your melanin skin tone is, and by skin tone I mean fair, caramel, or dark. The reason why we call it these names is not because we are trying to concoct or come up with something to sell to people in order to encourage them to bleach or lighten up their skin. No, it is because that is the only way I can pass across my message to you in a way that you would completely understand me. If I come up here and I tell you that melanin shade 1, melanin shade 2, you will not understand what I'm saying. It will sound like I'm crazy, you get. So I have decided to henceforth, when I'm giving you guys body care recommendations, I will group it under your melanin skin tone and of course with your skin type in reference. By skin type, I mean dry, acne prone, oily, normal, combination, irritated, sometimes very, very dry, and even sensitive. All of them all form different varieties of skin types that we have. The reason why you cannot just go to the store and get something that everybody is getting because they say it's working is because your skin type might be unique. Very, very important. And of course your skin tone, which is the color and the complexion of your skin, is something that you also need to consider. My goal, for example, as a fair complexion person is to have an enhanced, radiant, bright skin. Simple. And I go about that by using safe, natural skincare ingredients that promotes and that helps me to reach that goal progressively every day. So that really summarizes exactly what I've been trying to say all this while. It is not because I want to sit here and tell you that, oh, just go and buy something to brighten or lighten up your skin so you can have a very bright skin. No, it is because I'm concerned about you getting precise results so that month in, month out, by the time you are calculating and counting the days and the calendar, by the time you reach like 3 months into your new skincare routine, you can see tangible progress. Lupita Nyong'o is a very dark, ebony, beautiful queen, and she has certain skincare ingredients that are working for her. I can't say because I appreciate that beautiful glow, I go to the market and I buy exactly what she's using. It will not work because first of all, our skin type might be completely different, and secondly, we don't have the same melanin skin tone that you have. Never ever shop for face care products based on your complexion and your skin tone. You might not get the kind of results that you want to get. But when it comes to getting and arriving at beautiful body care goals, or goals that people will see you outside and be like, oh, that skin is looking beautiful, you need to shop for products based on your complexion. And by complexion, I mean your melanin skin tone and your skin type. And let me just tell you guys, I went to the Nivea .com.ng website, and I was just sitting down there and combing through their website, and I was just incredibly astonished by the amount of good formulations and good products that they have, and I'm going to be recommending a lot of them for you guys in today's video. Alright, so for Fair Glow Kit, the first soap that we are going to be using for our skin, we are not using a body wash now because we want to keep everything on a very nice budget. So we are going with soap plus lotion plus scrub, and by scrub I mean body polish. Since the era that we are entering now, this enhanced radiant skin glow era that we are entering now, the only thing that can enter that era with us is a body polish. We are saying goodbye to the salt scrub, to the sugar scrub. We are entering the era of what? Pampering body polish that leaves your skin scented and beautiful. So now for the soap under the Fair Glow Kit, we have the St. Ives Radiant Skin bar soap with pink lemon and mandarin orange that has vitamin C, licorice root, and of course gentle exfoliants that will keep your skin supple, smooth, and bright. Sis, I'm saying bright not with the intent for you to lighten up your skin. I'm saying bright with the intent of you having a radiant, appealing, attractive, youthful skin. You cannot get that if you're not using anything with vitamin C, or if you're not using anything that has gentle exfoliants inside it. And that is where this bar soap comes into play. For my local audience that you're always saying, Eniola, your Amazon links don't work for us, sis, these products are on Jumia. Check the link and type the products in the description box, copy it and put it on your Jumia dashboard, and you will see it there. This St. Ives is affordable, budget friendly, and very, very effective. Sometimes I've seen this particular bar soap come in a body wash formula, come in a body scrub formula, but we are going with the bar soap because it is easy for you to foam in your sponge, or even use it directly with contact to skin, and it really, really works. So straight into it, we are going into body lotion, and the lotion that I'll be recommending for you today, Nivea Radiant Beauty Body Lotion with 95% vitamin C that promises even tone in 2 weeks, and of course SPF 15. The reason why I had to look at that is because I want to give you exactly what was written on their website. Sis, this is the new formulation that is coming from Nivea. They did not come to play. Sis, it is the talk of the town. Everybody and their mom is talking about it. I am even still using the Nivea Perfect and Radiant right now. It's still in my body care shelf right here. Sis, as usual, I've talked about this in the past. This is just a subsidized, budget friendly approach for you to take care of your fair skin when it comes to your body care. The soap works because it has vitamin C and gentle exfoliant. And the reason why we are using this body lotion is, first of all, it has SPF 15. Secondly, it has 95% vitamin C. And then lastly, it has a very beautiful fragrance. Lightweight, would work considerably well for any kind of skin type you get. And of course, if your skin is dry, you can go in with your body oil depending on the one you have. But if your skin is normal, acne prone combination, you can get away with using the Nivea Radiant Beauty Body Lotion, this particular one right here. Now let's go in straight into the body polish, and that is the Dove Pomegranate Seeds and what? Shea Butter body polish. The reason why we are using this, like I said in the past, is because pomegranate is very, very rich in vitamin C that will stimulate collagen production and enhance the youthfulness of your skin. So gone are those days where you are coming and you're telling me, oh, I can't afford it, so I'm not gonna buy it. No, you can afford this subsidized glow kits that are built for your fair complexion. So head over to Jumia, shop for the body lotion, get the body soap, and of course get the body polish and start using it. So let's jump into the category called caramel complexion glow kit. We're working with, when it comes to this particular glow kit, is niacinamide, and that is because I don't know what your goal is for your caramel complexion, but if you just want to maintain it and have that flat caramel complexion, sis, move along. This part of the video is not for you. But if you're here, you want the juicy glow, you want people to ask you what are you using on your skin, then this recommendation is for you. I'm talking about the Olay Age Define with niacinamide infused bar soap. This particular bar soap right here, I have used the body wash before and I am fair, and I absolutely loved it. Sis, first of all, the fragrance is something to write home about. Secondly, the moisture is lovely. It is beautiful on the skin, gives the skin this supple, silky, smooth effect. And then lastly, niacinamide is known for its mild brightening properties, and that just makes it perfectly compatible for your caramel complexion. Because for your caramel complexion, you don't want something that will extremely brighten up your skin. You want something that will gradually give you that beautiful, unassuming but appealing youthful glow, and that is where niacinamide comes into play. So the body lotion under the caramel glow kit that we are working with is the Nivea Radiant advanced care body lotion with avocado, almond oil, soybean oil, macadamia, vitamins A, E, and C in one body lotion on a subsidized rate. Have you heard it before? The last body lotion that I reviewed for you guys said it was quite pricey. When it comes to Nivea, you can trust that, sis, they're gonna give you something nice that is also on a budget. This body lotion is packed. This lotion is gonna work for you. That soap is gonna work for you. Everybody, whether you're normal, acne prone, which other one, dry skin, you need niacinamide. You need vitamin C, you need vitamin A in light small doses, you need vitamin E, because these are the ingredients that your body naturally secretes on its own. I said ingredients, nutrients that your body naturally secretes on its own that gives it that youthful appearance. So imagine you lavishing your body with more care in the form of these ingredients that are already inside these products, and they now even come on a budget. So you don't have any excuse if you're caramel in complexion. There is no excuse for you. And of course, for body scrub, or should I say for body polish now, we are going in with the Dove body polish with brown sugar and of course shea butter, and I've talked about all the immense benefits in the past. Now the last segment for today is for my dark skin ebony beauties. Like, guys, if you're dark, you don't know what God has done for you, because sis, even if you have a scar, it's not gonna show. God has given you a very beautiful skin that is peculiar. Sis, you can, let me just tell you now, I'm gonna whisper it to you, you can get away with not using sunscreen regularly because black don't crack. Yes, I'm filming. So for soap, you're going to be using the Dove Beauty Bar with moisturizing factors and of course argan oil for deep moisturization, youthfulness, glow, radiance. And of course, you know Dove, they don't make products that strip the skin of moisture. They always include something that adds a lot of hydration and moisture to your skin. Now for body lotion, I would highly encourage you to try the Nivea Nourishing Cocoa Butter with soybean and vitamin E, and of course the deep moisture serum that is just infused into these new formulas coming out right now. Sis, I need you to try it out. Do not get me started on the immense benefits that cocoa butter has for your dark complexion. Sis, if you are dark in complexion and you are not using cocoa butter, you've missed. Sis, you have missed, you are still missing, and you will only stop missing if you go out now and get it at maybe Spar or ShopRite or Jumia. You get, cocoa butter has a natural sunscreen property that protects your skin from harmful sun exposure. Period. Do not now get me started on the great benefits of vitamin E and of course the moisture serum that is also infused into this particular body lotion. And of course, for your body polish, we are going to be using, did I say body polish? Yes, I said body polish. And I can't believe I'm actually telling you guys to use this particular brand. But if you're dark in complexion, apricot is good for you. And this is where the St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub, I think it's a body polish because it comes in a creamy like kind of texture. I've used it before when I was quite young and I didn't know better, but I've used it before. It is very, very good. Apricot is good for you if you are dark in complexion. It is just going to gradually exfoliate dead skin cells. See, if you are dark, your aim is not to brighten up your skin. You should only be pursuing that beautiful, youthful, ebony glow. There's a glow to it that just makes you radiant and appealing. People will stop you and be asking you, sis, your dark is shining. That is what you should be running after, not something to brighten up your dark complexion by 2 shades. And this is where all these recommendations that I've given to you for you to form a budget size glow kit comes into play. Try out that apricot scrub and let me know what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and you found it extremely helpful. You guys have been in my comment section saying that, oh, we want something we can get on Jumia. These are products you can get on Jumia. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a huge thumbs up. Let me know also in the comment section the next video that you want me to talk about, the next topic that you want me to talk about, and of course I will see you in the next one. Bye.